In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate and use GPT for Sheets in Google Sheets to enhance your productivity and creativity. If you've ever wished for a tool that can generate content, analyze text, or even help with data entry directly within your Google Sheets, then this is the perfect guide for you. Let's start by installing GPT for Sheets, which can be found in the Google Workspace Marketplace. First, open up your Google Sheets, and at the top, you'll see the menu bar. Head over to Extensions, and from there, select Add-ons and click on Get Add-ons. This action will take you directly to the Google Workspace Marketplace. In the search bar at the top, type in GPT for Sheets and hit Enter. Once you see the add-on, simply click on it, and you'll be guided through the installation process. It's pretty straightforward and similar to installing any other Google Workspace add-ons. After the installation is complete, you can access it right from your Google Sheets by clicking on Extensions. You'll notice GPT for Sheets listed among your tools. Simply click on it and you'll see a panel pop up with a variety of features and tools that you can now utilize. It's like adding a powerful collaborative assistant right into your spreadsheet. Let's dive a little deeper into what you can do with this impressive tool. When you navigate to the GPT Functions tab within the panel, you'll find a comprehensive list of functions that are now at your disposal thanks to GPT technology. This is where the real magic happens. For example, if you want to generate a list of animals, you can use one of these functions to accomplish that effortlessly. Simply input your prompt, for instance, generate a list of animals. And within moments, the function will process your request and output a list directly in your sheet. This is just one of many ways you can use GPT for Sheets. It's particularly useful when you're brainstorming ideas, working on large data sets, or even when you just need a bit of inspiration. The tool leverages GPT's capabilities to understand and generate human-like text, which can be a huge time saver and productivity booster, especially in professional or academic environments. Before you start experimenting, keep in mind that while GPT for Sheets is a powerful tool, clarity in your prompts and understanding what exactly you want to achieve will yield the best results. This means being specific and clear with your descriptions or queries. Now that you've got the basics down, take some time to explore the different functions and see how they can fit into your workflows. Whether you're managing projects, conducting research, or just enhancing your daily tasks, GPT for Sheets is a versatile tool that's sure to make your life a little easier and a lot more interesting. Happy creating!